The rocket manufacturing process is a complex process and involves many different technological steps. Design first. The manufacturing process begins with the design phase. Systems engineers and specialists design rockets based on the system's requirements and goals. Design includes factors such as mass, size, range, material quality, and other technical factors. Crafting materials. The materials needed for the rocket are built. This may include fabrication of metal parts, composite fibers, solid or liquid fuels, and electronic components. Assembly. After the parts have been manufactured, the assembly process begins. The parts are joined together and mounted into a complete structure. Elements such as welding, bolting, and adhesive mounting can be used to ensure the rocket's strength and durability. Inspection and testing. After the rocket is assembled, inspection and testing steps are carried out. Tests can include quality testing, functional testing, reliability testing, and performance testing. If the missiles do not meet the specified standards, they will be repaired or scrapped. Finishing stage. After the rocket has passed the inspection and testing, it will be completed with painting, labeling, and packaging. This process includes the final steps of preparing the rocket for transport and use. The S-400 Triumph missile system is a long-range air defense system developed by the Russian company Almaz-Antey. Here are some details about this system. Range. The S-400 system is capable of destroying uncompromising targets with a range of up to 400 km targets with a flight speed of up to 4.8 km/s. It is also capable of hitting targets flying at an altitude of 10 m to 30 km. System structure. The S-400 system consists of the following main elements. Controller controls and manages the operation of the entire system. Search and track, detect and track space targets. Missile parts includes long-range anti-aircraft missiles with the ability to destroy flying targets. Radar unit, versatile radar system for space target detection identification and tracking. Strike capabilities. The S-400 system is capable of striking and destroying a wide variety of targets, including fighter aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, short-range ballistic missiles, Geschützschusswaffen, short-range Großweinbomber, medium and other spatial targets. Performance. The S-400 is highly regarded for its performance and reliability. It can operate in multi-incident environments and is capable of destroying multiple targets at once. Popularity. The S-400 system has been exported and widely used around the world, including Russia, China, India, Turkey, and many other countries.